Hey boys and girls, Alta families, Mr. Coley here, and I want to welcome everyone to the PTA Virtual Fall Festival. The PTA has put together an awesome, fun-filled event tonight, so I want to welcome everyone. The first thing I want to do, boys and girls, you may want to pause this video in just a second. They're going to lead you in a draw together, a drawing activity. So if you want to pause this and grab some paper, pencil, crayons, colored pencils, or markers, something to draw with, you may want to get that handy. I believe we've got a story that's going to be read to you as well. And to finish, do you guys like magic? I love magic. The Magic Crasher. Have you heard of him? The Magic Crasher is an amazing magician who's going to be doing a magic show for everyone. So boys and girls, thank you for tuning in to the PTA Virtual Fall Festival. PTA moms and dads, thank you so much for your work in putting this together. Boys and girls, we miss you. We cannot wait to see you and enjoy the festival.
Hey guys, today we're gonna draw a pumpkin emoji.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper. You ready to start? Yeah! We're first gonna draw our pumpkin's face. Well, so it's actually a jack-o'-lantern emoji, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna draw two ovals right in the middle of our paper towards the top. And we're gonna draw them kind of egg-shaped, so they're a little thicker down at the bottom. So there's one, and then I'm gonna draw the other one right over here. Yeah, I like it. Good job, man. I like how big you drew him. Okay, now we're going to draw his nose. We're going to draw an A shape right in between the two eyes, but below him. Good. Now let's connect the bottom with a curve. I was going to say circle. Now we can draw his mouth, and we're first going to draw his top tooth. And so we're going to draw half of a box right below the left eye. We're going to go down, over, and then back up. Now we can draw his smile. We're going to draw a line that comes over and curves up and ends just under his right eye. I like it, man.
It's close to his nose.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, now we're going to finish the left side of his mouth. We'll curve up over here. Okay, now let's draw the bottom of his mouth, and we're going to draw his bottom tooth that's right under his nose. It's right below his nose. So we're going to go up, over, and down. Okay, now we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth. It's going to come down and connect to the tooth. And then we're going to finish coming up and connecting over here. All right, now let's draw the stem up here at the top, in between his eyes. We're going to draw a curve that comes down to the middle, right in between his eyes, and then curves back up. Kind of looks like one of those seagulls we draw in an ocean picture.
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw the side of the stem. We're going to draw two little curves that come up on each side. Then we're going to draw two lines up. And then we're going to draw an A shape that connects them. We'll come up and then back down. All right, there's the shape of our stem. Now we can draw the outside of our pumpkin. We're going to start on this side of the stem, draw a big curve that comes around, and it's not going to go too far away from the bottom of his mouth. So we'll come about here, and then we're going to come back up and touch the other side. So here we go. Watch me. We're going to come around. Whoop. We're going to come around, keep coming around the bottom. And then we're going to come up to the other side and then connect to the stem.
Yeah.
That's a fun line to draw, and we could practice that. It would be fun to draw this one again.
Yeah.
Each time we draw it, it always gets better the next time.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like the shape. You did a good job. Nice. Okay, now we're going to add a few more lines to make our emoji look more 3D. So inside of the cutouts for his face, we're going to make those look 3D. We're going to draw the side, the inside of the pumpkin. So we're going to draw a little crescent on the inside. And then we're going to do that same line over here, but on the opposite side. See how it looks more 3D?
Yeah.
Looks like we can see inside the carving. Okay, now let's draw his nose. We're going to start here in this corner, come up, and then back down. Now let's add that same line to the inside of his mouth. We're going to draw it on the bottom. So we draw a line that comes down, almost touches his tooth. Then we're going to go around his tooth. And then we'll connect up to the corner of his mouth. All right, we did it, man. Good job. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color them.
Yeah, we're gonna color them, and we're gonna also add more texture, the lines in the pumpkin and also the stem.
Yeah.
But at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same color. Okay, now that we have everything colored, we're gonna use a dark brown to add the texture, the bumps, to our pumpkin shell. So we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna draw a line that starts up by the stem, and it's gonna curve around the smile and come all the way down and connect to the bottom. And then we can repeat that line on the other side over here. So it looks the same. Draw a curve that comes down outside the smile and then connects underneath his smile. So we got those two lines. Now we're gonna add two more lines. And this next one is gonna go right through his eye. So it goes through the top of his eye. Then we come down and we connect to his mouth. And then we also go underneath his mouth. And then we're gonna repeat that line over here on the other side. Come through his eye, connect to his mouth, and then down through the bottom of his mouth. Does that sound cool?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. You can add it to yours and we'll keep fast forwarding.
Okay.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring our pumpkin and yours turned out awesome. I especially love the shading that you put around the outside.
Yeah.
It makes the pumpkin look more round and 3D. Now remember, it's okay if your pumpkins don't look exactly like ours because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, to have fun and to practice. We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing your own pumpkins. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Hello, my friends. It's me, Mrs. Leary, your librarian, and I am here because PTA has asked me to read you a fall story for their fall carnival, and I have accepted. So, I will be reading The Scarecrow, and this book was written by Beth Ferry. So I just read this book yesterday, and I fell in love with it. Yes, it is really cute, so I would love to share it with you. All right, The Scarecrow. Autumn sunshine, haystacks rolled, Scarecrow guards the fields of gold. Hey, Scarecrow. No one enters, no one dares. Scarecrow stands alone and scares the fox and deer, the mice and crows. It's all he does, it's all he knows. Look at all them looking at Scarecrow. He never rests, he never bends. He's never had a single friend. For all the woodland creatures know not to mess with old Scarecrow. Winter whispers, velvet snow, Scarecrow has no place to go. He dreams of what the spring will bring, of buds and blooms and things that sing. Then something drops from mid-air. A small scared crow lying there. Broken nest, broken wing. Aw, oh, there he is. Scarecrow does the strangest thing. He snaps his pole, bends down low, saves the tiny baby crow. Aw. He tucks him near his heart of hay. He lets him sleep. He lets him stay. He doesn't stop to wonder why. He sings the sweetest lullaby. Safe and warm the nestling mends. These two make the oddest friends, but friends they are right from the start. The crow will grow in Scarecrow's heart, and he will peek out at the farm, and he will perch on Scarecrow's arm, and they will laugh and wish on stars, forgetting who they really are. For crows and birds must fly, The fledgling spreads his wings to try. He dips, then soars, and caws out loud. Scarecrow cheers, pleased and proud. But as he watches, Scarecrow knows that he must stay and Crow must go. Summer sunshine. There's Crow. He's going. Autumn chill. Aw, Scarecrow looks sad, huh? Snowflakes make it colder still. No one visits. No one cares. Scarecrow sags alone and stares. Broken heart, broken pole. Nothing fills the empty hole. Then something drops from mid-air. A large black crow standing there. Scarecrow's arms are open wide. Crow spreads his wings and swoops inside. Joyful hearts, brimming whole, a friend will mend a broken pole, and he will spruce up matted hay, and he will say, I'm here to stay. Winter's over, springtime's due. Is there room enough for two? Flowers blooming, fields of green. 5 small eggs are tucked unseen. Scarecrow guards them, for he knows that soon they will be baby crows. And he will love them from the start, and they will grow up in his heart. And they will peep and perch and play, and make him happy every day. And as the seasons come and go, they will love their dear Scarecrow. Oh, and look. The end. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed that as much as I did. Thank you, PTA, again, for inviting me and asking me to do this for you. It was a pleasure. All right, everyone. Have a good day. See you soon.
Welcome, Alta Mustang family, to the Fun Fall Magic Show. I'm David.
And I'm Rachel.
And we're going to show you some awesome fall magic to get you ready for Halloween. Rachel, for our first trick, it's the Rubik's Cube. It reminds me so much of fall.
Just like all the changing leaves.
Exactly. I'm going to take the Rubik's Cube mixed up and place it gently inside the brown paper bag like you would leaves. Now, ready? Just like that. Put out your hand. Gently. The Rubik's Cube is now solved.
Oh my gosh! But why are you holding it like that?
Oh, the bag? Oh,
yeah.
No reason. See, look, it's empty.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's completely empty. Oh, no, it really is empty. Look.
You changed the Rubik's Cube! They're matching!
It's magic!
That's amazing! My favorite part of Halloween is definitely the costumes.
Mine too. And if you happen to go out with your friends and family this Halloween, make sure you're safe and you wear a mask.
But David, that doesn't match your costume.
Oh, that's okay. What? Is that better?
That's perfect!
Now what would a Halloween magic show be without a card trick?
Right?
So let's do a card trick. Now Rachel, what I want you to do is I want you to name any card as I spread through the deck.
Okay.
Ready? Go for it.
Let's do Jack of Diamonds.
Jack of Diamonds. Now take your hand just like that. Now the Jack of Diamonds, do you want to change your mind, yes or no?
I'll keep the Jack of Diamonds.
Okay, so I'm glad you did that because let me show you something. The Jack of Diamonds, you can see the Jack of Diamonds is the only one with a pumpkin sticker.
Oh my gosh!
So look, if I show you, all of the cards don't have a pumpkin sticker except for yours.
Jack of Diamonds.
The Jack of Diamonds. Now, it wouldn't be a true magic trick if we can't do something cool with that pumpkin. Now watch the pumpkin on your card, the Jack of Diamonds. Ready? Watch the pumpkin. Give me your hand like this, and let's see. I'm just gonna flick the back and watch. It vanished.
Where'd it go?
It should have appeared. Oh, wait. I'm not sure where it went. Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Your Harry Potter tie. Flip up underneath.
My tie?
Show
The
everyone.
pumpkin's right there, you guys. It's on my tie. How did you do that?
I did that with magic. Now, you want to see another fun trick? For this trick, Rachel, I need you to select a card and sign it.
Okay.
So pick any card you want. Now, as soon as it's signed, I'll take the marker back.
Here you go.
Great, we'll get rid of that. Whoop. Now, do me a favor and place the card anywhere you want.
Anywhere?
Anywhere.
All right, I'll
You got it right there?
Yes.
Great. So now we're gonna give it a shuffle. We're gonna give those cards a shuffle and keep shuffling. And now here comes the best part. Are you ready, Rachel?
Ready.
We're gonna find your card, but in a fun way.
Okay.
We're gonna find your card behind my back. So watch this. I'm gonna take the deck and I'm going to, see, I'm feeling for the card that you signed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I have a better way of doing it. Ready? Watch.
Let's see it. Oh, that's not my card. That's the wrong card. That would have been so cool if it worked, though.
Watch this. Of course it worked. Look,
That's my card. That's my card.
isn't that crazy?
That's so cool.
Now, before we get to our next trick, I'm gonna need to use some hand sanitizer.
Now, my favorite part of fall is Halloween.
Mine too, not just the costumes, but what's your favorite part?
The candy, the candy.
Mine too. Now here's the thing, with the candy, make sure your adults check your candy. In fact, let's see what we got inside. Oh wow, mint gum.
Ooh, fresh.
This person that gave me the mint gum, my neighbor, she always gives us good candy. In fact, do you like gum?
I love gum, but I like chocolate even better.
I agree, especially for Halloween. How about a chocolate bar instead?
That's my favorite one.
But watch the chocolate bar. It isn't gum, it's real chocolate.
Oh, can I eat it?
Yeah,
Mmm.
let's see what else is in here. What? This is cool. Guys, girls, look, Airhead candy.
Ooh, I love cherry.
I love cherry. You wanna see a cool trick with the cherry?
Yeah.
In fact, we are going to use my little book here, and we're going to use this Airhead. If I take the Airhead, place it right behind the book, just like that. Now on the count of 3, we're gonna just say 3, 2, 1, and the cherry Airhead vanishes. But wait, look where it is. Look, nothing in my hand. I'm going to reach in my pocket.
No way.
And I got the cherry Airhead, that's right.
Airhead.
The cherry Airhead is my favorite Halloween candy.
I can share that one with you.
Yes. Okay, look, watch the dollar bill. We're gonna use a little optical illusion. I'm gonna rub the dollar bill, and it looks like the dollar bill is vanishing.
What?
And it's vanishing, and it's vanishing. It vanished.
Where did it go?
It actually turned into Mentos.
I love Fruity Mentos.
This is my other favorite Halloween candy. Let's put that, and I'll share that with you as well.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Now, Alta family, we have come to the end of our magic show, and we really hope that you enjoyed it. Remember in the beginning, we started with a Rubik's Cube and a paper bag. We're going to do that one more time, but in fact, we're gonna add a little bit more magic to it.
Ooh.
Instead of solving it inside the paper bag, we're gonna solve it around the paper bag.
Ooh.
So watch carefully. See the Rubik's Cube?
Uh-huh.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, catch it. Oh!
Gosh, Skittles! This is awesome!
My favorite Halloween candy. You get to taste the rainbow and you can share with everyone.
Oh my gosh, there's so much!
Well, we really hope that you guys enjoyed this magic show. We wish you a happy Halloween, a safe fall, and a great, amazing Thanksgiving.
From all of us to all of you, Happy Halloween!